Hello, students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 11, more about air. In this chapter, we have already seen about the atmosphere, we have seen about the composition of air, we have seen the properties of air. In today's video, we will be discussing some uses of air pressure in daily life, means how we use air pressure. As we have discussed about the properties of the air, in that we have discussed air exerts pressure, मतलब कि एयर में क्या होता है, दबाव होता है. मीन्स एयर किसी भी चीज को दबा सकता है, धक्का दे सकता है. So today we will be seeing how we are using this property of air every day, day to day life. So let us move forward and see. Air exerts pressure. It is very important to know that air always flow from a region of high pressure to low pressure. जो प्रेशर होता है वो हमेशा हाई से लो में जाता है. जहां भी ज्यादा प्रेशर होता है तो वहां से एयर मूव करके किधर जाता है, लो प्रेशर, जहां पे कम दबाव होता है. सो वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग. Here, first of all, you are seeing aeroplane. You have seen aeroplanes flying in the sky. These aeroplanes are moving in the sky and it move forward and pick up speed because it pushes the air away and it creates a low pressure area. Means what happens when this air is moving forward, और जब ये आगे घूमता है, आगे जाता है, then a low pressure is being created in the air, and then what is happening, this is flowing upward, this is moving forward. After this, an aeroplane moves forward in air and pick up speed because it pushes the air away and creates a low pressure area. After this, you can see a boy sucking a juice or something like that. So here what is happening, the pressure is applied upward. Pressure किधर apply हो रहा है, ऊपर के direction में. ठीक है. So in this what is happening, when you drink a liquid using a straw, you stuck at the straw and remove the air from it. मतलब कि straw के अंदर जो air भरा है उसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं, निकालते हैं, and then we create a low pressure in it, and air pressure on the liquid pushes it to rise in the straw, and due to which there is a low pressure, और low pressure की वजह से it is moved forward. In this packet there is a high pressure, and as we are sucking it up, the water or the juice moves from the high pressure area to low pressure area into our mouth. After this, here we can see doctors, you all are very afraid of taking injections. So here what is happening, when a doctor's syringe also works on the principle of pressure. These doctors are taking out the medicines from the syringe by the process of pressure. When the plunger is pushed inward, all the air is removed from the syringe, thus creating a low pressure in the syringe. When the needle is put in the medicine and the plunger is pulled out, the air pressure acting on the medicine in the bottle pushes the medicine into the syringe, though through the needle. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, when you are pushing this syringe back, जब इसको पीछे खींचते हैं तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाता है, एक खाली जगह हो जाता है, और यहाँ पे क्या हो जाता है, लो प्रेशर हो जाता है, and दिस, ये जो है हेयर इज अ हाई प्रेशर, और जब ये इंजेक्शन इसके अंदर जाता है एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंस, ऑटोमेटिकली द वाटर फ्रॉम हाई प्रेशर इट मूव्स टू द लो प्रेशर। यहाँ पे हमारा लो प्रेशर होता है इसके अंदर एंड हेयर वी हैव हाई प्रेशर। एज वी पुल इट बैक, द air moves from the high pressure to the low pressure area. Now, after this, there is a one more daily life example is the bottle droppers. These droppers or the medicine droppers, they also work on the principle of air pressure. What happens when the rubber top of the dropper is pressed? The air from inside the tube of the dropper is pushed out, thereby creating a low pressure. When the tube is put in the ink and the rubber top is released, the air pressure creating on the ink pushes it into the dropper. So in this condition, what happens, children, when you are pressing it? When you press it and then you keep this dropper in the ink bottle, then as you release it, so what is happening? Due to pressure, these ink move in the dropper. जैसे ही यहाँ पे प्रेशर क्रिएट हो रहा है, ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे प्रेशर क्रिएटेड है, जैसे ही हम लोगों ने इस प्रेशर को रिलीज किया, ड्यू टू दिस प्रेशर ये जो वाटर है, जो इंक है, वो इसके अंदर क्या हो गया, इसके अंदर चला गया. So this is a very common example which we use every day, daily life. And my dear children, there is an instrument called barometer which is used to measure air pressure. There is an instrument called barometer which is used to measure air pressure. Air pressure कितना है अगर ये measure करना है, there is an instrument called barometer. I hope children these examples would be clear to you all. Thank you children.